This is why you need to visit Étretat. Imagine standing atop a cliff, gazing at the endless blue sea. Normandy, France, Étretat is a gem waiting to be discovered. Picture this: towering white chalk cliffs, carved by nature into stunning arches and formations. These awe-inspiring views captured the hearts of artists like Claude Monet. But it's not just about the cliffs. Wander through the charming village with its cozy cafes and vibrant markets. Feel the history as you stroll along cobblestone streets and visit the ancient churches. Whether you're an avid hiker, a photography buff, or just in need of some peace and quiet, Étretat has something for everyone. Watch the waves crash against the cliffs and let the ocean breeze fill your soul. So, what are you waiting for? Make Étretat your next travel spot and create memories that will last a lifetime. Bon voyage!